Spider Crane Series URW 295 Familiarization Video. Spider crane safety precautions. Always wear protective clothing such as hard hat, steel toe foot gear, safety glasses, shirt and pants. Read and understand the operator's and maintenance manual for model URW 295 prior to operating the spider crane. Perform a daily walk around inspecting the spider crane for damage and or excessive wear. If required, call a local spider crane dealer for parts and technical support. Now is a good time to fuel the crane and check the oil before beginning operation. Make sure all placards or stickers are installed and legible on the crane. If in doubt, see the operator's manual for assistance. Do not operate this crane until you are fully prepared and have read the operator's manual. Read and understand the hand signals chart prior to crane operation. Spider crane crawl levers. There are 3 crawler lever positions: stowage position, crane travel position, crane operation position. There are 2 travel levers at the rear of the spider crane. They're used to select 3 different unit functions: stowage, travel, crane. First, make sure the crawler levers are in the travel position. Start the engine with the ignition key. It is unsafe to move loads with the mini crawler crane when it is in travel mode. When starting the diesel version of the mini crawler in cold weather, turn the key to the glow plug first, then start the engine. Never travel unless the boom outriggers and the hooks are properly stowed. Go slowly and carefully while traveling. There are lifting locations at the top of these stowed outriggers that permit lifting and loading the crane on a hauler. Lifting eyes located on top of stowed outriggers can be used to lift the spider crane onto rooftops and haulers. Gas to propane conversion. Step 1. Turn fuel valve off. Step 2. Start engine to high idle until engine dies. Step 3. Fully open propane tank. Step 4. Start engine. Propane to gas. Step 1. Shut off propane. Step 2. Start engine on high idle until engine dies. Step 3. Open fuel valve. Step 4. Start engine. Do not operate the crane on steep incline beyond 20 degrees. Make sure the soil is stable. When traveling up and down an incline, always stand at the uphill position. When moving the mini crawler crane, track mats are needed on all surfaces other than solid ground. Please see the operator's manual for further important information. Also, when turning the mini crawler crane, it is best to use both levers for minimal track wear. When in travel mode, the maximum ground force for the URW 295 mini crawler crane is 6.96 psi. Setup of the spider crane. After arriving at the destination, run the engine at low speed and return the crawler levers to crane operation position. Begin with the crane crawl lever in crane position. Make sure the surrounding ground is solid and firm for outrigger placement. From the operator station, select the outrigger mode switch on the console. After selecting outrigger mode, you will hear a bell sound, voice command, and the amber light will illuminate to let you know you are in outrigger mode.
Outrigger mode. Outrigger's moving. Outrigger's moving.
Begin by removing the stove pin and rotating each outrigger leg to your desired position. Secondly, select the outrigger configuration that best suits the work site. It is best to position outriggers in max configuration as often as possible. Each outrigger leg has its own switch located on the operator console. Each switch is numbered and corresponds with the number on the outrigger leg. Next, level the crane. Select the individual outrigger switch for extension or retraction. For direction, activate the outrigger knob for outrigger motion. Activate outrigger legs and view bubble gauge until the crane is level. Once the crane is leveled, switch the crane or outrigger selector switch located on the console to crane mode. It will go out and you will hear a bell sound and a voice command that tells you the crane is in crane mode.
Crane mode. Crane mode.
Once in crane mode, lower the hook using the hook down or up lever. This will disengage the anti-tool block weight and let you operate the crane.